Okay guys, I'm updating the combination switch of my Gypsy. As you can see, I have removed all the steering cover. For removing the cover, I had to loosen the steering bolts which are down there. And after doing all this, the end result is really exciting. In my Gypsy, in this combination switch, you can see the difference in the wiper. Main thing is wiper. You will see there's only function of off, on and high, and in this there is off, intermittent, low and high. So one function gets added, that is intermittent. Okay, this one gets added, and there's one more function that's a hidden function which was not there in my Gypsy before. Is when I used to operate the pump like this, in the old one, when I used to operate the pump, only the pump used to work and the wipers never worked automatically. And in the new combination switch, when I pull the pump, even if the wiper switch is off, the wiper goes on and moves for 2 times and then goes off automatically. That's a nice function that got added. Now let's add up all this and fix up all this, and then I will show you the functions, how they work. Okay, almost missed out showing the PCB. That is the change in the PCB in the two combination switches. This is the old one. You can see the PCB is a very simple one. It's a very simple PCB. Okay, there's no additional connectors out here. Now I'll show you the new combination switch PCB. As you can see, there's a huge lot of difference between the new one and the old one. We zoom out and there you can see the difference. Alright guys, so I'm back again after installing the whole thing and assembling the whole car back again. So here is the new combination switch, which has a intermittent or whatever it's called, intermittent, and that helps the wiper move at certain intervals. And as I said, it also added a function where I can pull the wiper button for wiper wash and the wiper swipes for 1 time, and that didn't happen before, and now it happens because of the new combination switch. So I'll pull the wiper switch once. Wait, I need to hold it longer. There you go. Okay, it does it twice. So that's a very helpful function. And this is the intermittent function, just the first speed. And a distinct click sound can be heard from near the combination switch. Okay, now the second speed, which is the regular slow speed which we had before. There are no clicking sounds in this case. And this is the full speed. Going back to the first speed. And that's how it concludes the addition of new function of wiper speed in my 2004, I think so, Euro 2 version of Gypsy. Thank you.